Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I am decorating my first full week in November. I have made the decision to move on to my more wintry stickers, and I will be moving out of my Halloween planner and into a more Christmassy one. I'll have videos of that no doubt in the near future. To begin with, I'm just laying down some washi, and I want to just frame my pages so when I add my stickers they fit nicely. I use A5 so they don't necessarily always fit my inserts. I believe the kit I'm using today is for Erin Condren, but I find that as long as you just use a bit of washi here and there, you can pretty much get any kit to fit any sort of page really. So I'm just adding the lovely marble washi strips that came in the sticker kit there. I'm just putting them along the bottom. These are all by Fab Planner Print. I PR for them, so you can get a discount by using the code 10SARAH. I will leave it across the screen, and if you head on over to the Facebook group, then you can join in. There's occasional competitions, you get a heads up of new releases, sometimes there's extra discount codes. So I will leave the Fab Planner Print Facebook group as well. There'll also be lots of inspiration, lots of ladies share their planner spreads over there too. So as you can see, I've just tucked the thick washi that came on in the sticker kit on the top there as well. Now I've just added my days of the week, which again are on that pretty marble background. And now my favourite thing with Fab Planner Print are these lovely heart checklists. I've got them in just individual ones in all different colours just to add in any layout as well, because I just love them. I think they're just so useful, and quite often if you do get a kit you do get these heart checklists in within them. I've added a couple of cute decor ones, a little penguin. I didn't want to add anything too Christmassy just yet, and with this kit there's more than enough for me to do another full spread using the ombre boxes. I just stuck one down there. I could do a whole another week using them and the other decor stickers, so I did hold back on my decorative stickers and I only used half of them on this spread, so I can use the other half on another one. I believe you can also get the ephemera. I think there might be deco stickers as well for this kit, which is called Winter Dreams, if I didn't already mention. So I'm pretty much done on this now. I'm just punching out the holes and it's going back in my Halloween planner because I did film this in advance, but by the time I do pictures it will be in my Christmas one. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out Fab Planner Print. I will link everything you need to know below, and please do like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I do appreciate your comments and your likes and all your views. Thanks.